What's up, Crispy Works fam? Welcome back to another video. Just want to say, guys, I'm really sorry for that I haven't been posting any content on the golf lately. You know, it's been a couple of months. I don't think this whole year I posted any content about the golf, and I really just want to say sorry, guys. I know a lot of you have been like hyped up about the golf build, especially because we got it started, and now we're just going back to, you know, starting all over again, continuing with it. But I'm sorry, guys, I really just have more important stuff I needed to take care of. But we will get back onto the golf sooner or later, but definitely sooner than later. But today, guys, I just want to show you guys how to replace the gearbox oil on my Polo. I know many of you guys have a Polo Vivo manual, so it's very simple how to change the gearbox oil. And I was thinking, instead of just doing it on my own, maybe one of you guys out there will want to do it themselves instead of paying labor at the dealership or paying labor for someone else to do it, and then they don't do it right. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's really easy, and there's just one special tool you're gonna need, and I'll show you that tool. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna show you how to do it. And also, this guy has really been going through a rough time. My wife, I don't know if it was my wife or me, but when we were driving, this happened to our front bumper. I don't know if we hit a pothole and then the front bumper hit the pothole or what we bumped, but yeah, that happened. And then if any of you guys have low profile tires, you'll know that they are very susceptible to punches and damaging of the rims like this. That damage over there. And then also my left rear tire the tire actually tore. The rubber of the tire actually tore, and then I have to replace the tire. That's why I have on my spare. And actually, guys, if you follow the channel, you know that I had center caps that have been missing for quite some time. So I actually got them replaced today, and the car looks so much better already with center caps on. You know, if you're missing center caps, the value of your car will look like you're really struggling. It will make the car look like it's really bad. So just having that center caps back really makes the car look much better. And so yeah, let's get into the video, guys. Let me show you what I'm going to be doing. And the place that I recommend to buy your parts is at Goldwagen. I recommend you to buy your parts at Goldwagen. I bought my gearbox oil over there. They always sell quality parts. I'll rather recommend them than Midas, just my opinion. I've had bad experiences with Midas, so I'll rather go with Goldwagen every time and just pay that little bit extra money, you know. So yeah, let's get into the video, guys. Obviously, you're going to need something to drain the gearbox oil in, so I'm just using this. Okay, guys, so this is where you're going to loosen. This is the drain plug of the gearbox. It takes a 17 Allen key head socket, so that's where it is. And then the filler plug is on the other side, which is also a 17 Allen key socket. This one over here, guys. I'm pointing to, yeah. Just gonna have to finesse an angle over here. Okay, guys, so I just put the swivel on the socket because when the ratchet or the power bar was busy knocking against the subframe, so just putting that swivel on there will help me just to turn the socket much more easier. But before we even drain it, I have to make sure that I'm able to loosen the filler plug. Otherwise you drain the gearbox oil for nothing, then you can't put the new gearbox oil in because the filler plug is not opening. Then you have a big problem on your hands. Okay guys, so I managed to get this one loose. So it's a bit tight, but yeah. Another mess. The gearbox oil doesn't look too bad, but normally every with manual gearbox oil you have to replace them every 100 to 150,000. So I've had this car now, it's already on 200,000, so it's about time to change it. Okay guys, so it's finished drain now. I'm just gonna wipe up here so that there's no oil dripping, stuff like that. This thing doesn't take a gasket or anything like that, so just goes on like that. Okay. I don't want to tighten it too tight guys, but just, you know, just like nip it so that it's tight enough. One more. Why are you laughing? Okay guys, just gonna top up this gearbox now. See, what's convenient is about this, having those pipes. So it's gonna be really a bit difficult for you guys to see there, but I'm gonna try my best so that you can see what I'm doing. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you where it actually goes. So that's where it actually goes. Okay guys, so I managed to squeeze the bottle through this gap in between here. Just like that. And then you just squeeze the bottle. And what's nice is that there's enough space. And just do that until it's done. When it's done, you'll see the fluid will start coming out a bit, then you know it's like full. So like now already starting to come out. So that already tells me that this is full. Okay guys, so I'm just cleaning up the excess gearbox oil that came out. So it really doesn't take much gearbox oil. I really a bit overestimated. No, it takes about 1.2 liters, which is not much. Which is, yeah, you shouldn't really worry if it takes so little. Normally gearboxes don't really take that much gearbox oil, so that is fine. So I just closing up here now.